beautiful city of destiny. I need to get onto the 4-lane highway as soon as possible. Vedukondalavada, Venkatramana, Govinda, Govinda.
I don't know whether it is a record or not. You guys just let me know.
Hi, what's up everyone? This is Ravan. Welcome to another vlog. You might be wondering why, in the mid of the week, where this guy is going. I'm traveling to my hometown, guys. It's been almost an year and a half that I visited my home. Today is the day I'm going to my home. Next question. Where is your hometown? It's Visakhapatnam, guys. The beautiful city of destiny. India's first smart city. Whatnot, everything. I was born and brought up there. I stayed there for almost 24 years, you can say. After that, I moved to Bangalore because of the, work life and all. Now, after 1.5 years, again I am going back to my home to spend some time this Dussehra. Yeah, Visakhapatnam is almost 1250 kilometers from Bangalore one way. So you can assume it is almost 2400 to 2500 kilometers up and down. Yeah, the roads are pretty good actually. We should take this Bangalore-Tirupati highway, from there Tirupati-Vijayawada highway, from there Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam highway. All of them are national highways, so I don't think there will be a big issue with the roads and all. Only thing that makes me worry is this rain and this weather. As of now, it is not raining. Since last 2-3 hours it is not raining. I'm near KR-Puram right now. I thought of turning on the camera when I was starting from my home, but I couldn't do that because I was so much busy with packing, loading the stuff, putting on my tail bag saddle, everything. So I couldn't vlog much. And then I thought once I hit the highway, I can reach out to you guys. I won't be vlogging much throughout my way because it will be same boring highways. Nothing interesting will be there. Whenever I reach to a particular city or a town, at that time, I will get back to you guys. My next stop will be Tirupati. So once I reach Tirupati, I will get back to you guys. Please follow me on Instagram for my live updates. Instagram and Facebook are faster than the YouTube, so if you like to follow me over there, that will be very nice. Most probably today I will be taking halt at Vijayawada. Not sure. Again, not sure. If the weather permits, I will head directly to Vizag. If it rains, then I might change my plan. There will be plan B where I will be staying in Vijayawada for the night, and tomorrow early morning I can start again to Vizag. This is one of the beautiful journey which I always wanted to go on my bike to my hometown, which is thousands of kilometers away. And coming to the other point, I'm taking a proper precaution. I'm wearing masks. I'm having sanitizer with me in my tank bag over here. I will not be eating much on the road. I'm carrying my own stuff. Some protein bars, chocolates, dry fruits and all. Yeah, as of now, that is how it is. It was a piece of cake. That's my baby over there. Just took a stop for tea break. I will just have a tea and then I will move ahead. Yeah, that's the plan. NHI Highway Mini Nest. Just reached Chittoor Toll Plaza. I'm just 30 kilometers away from Chittoor right now. I started in around 6 in the morning and now it is 10 minutes to 8. The roads are good, didn't face any issue. I was cruising at the speeds of 110, 120. It took almost 1 hour 40 minutes to reach here to Chittoor from Bangalore. You can just Google out the distance, how much I covered. I was unable to vlog much on my way because there was it was drizzling for at least 40 to 50 kilometers on my way, and it was completely dark, so I was unable to vlog nothing much. Yeah, that's the plan as of now. As you can see, it's full cloudy, full black clouds. I can see a bit of clear skies over there. Yeah, that's the plan. See you back again at Tirupati. If it permits, I will turn on my camera in between. If not, you guys just need to stay tuned. That's it. Yep. Just entered into Chittoor. From here, Tirupati is around 72 kilometers. Yeah, there is lot of traffic and this is a single lane as of now. Dun. So far so good. Ride is very nice. Almost covered like 230 kilometers, I guess, without any trouble. Weather is also supporting me. As of now it is scattered clouds, but the prediction says afternoon it might rain. By the time it rains, I think I will cross the Tirupati and all, and most probably I will be reaching Ongole. I need to get onto the 4-lane highway as soon as possible. Here I'm killing lot of time. I don't know what happened to Senna. It is not saying me any command. I am not sure whether I'm on the right way. I turned on the maps and I'm getting the inputs from Senna till now. We'll see how it goes. Sir, Tirupati road is na straight, huh? So we are on the right way. I think that's the reason Senna was not giving any command. But looking into this gullies, the streets and the traffic, I was thinking I was getting and going in deep into the Chittoor city. Yeah, so far so good. Vedukondalavada Venkatramana Govinda Govinda. Look at the view, guys. We reached Tirupati just now. I will be going via bypass, so I shouldn't go into the Tirupati city. I hope you guys can see those are the mountains, 7 hills of Lord Venkateshwara. I'm just passing by them. I think it's a record time or not, I don't know. It took me 3 hours 45 minutes to reach Tirupati from Bangalore. at the view, guys. Look at the sky. Yeah, there it is. Those are the 7 hills. I hope you guys can see over there. That is the 7 hills. I'll just stop somewhere over here, and then I will just update my WhatsApp and Instagram status. If you can see, there it is, Tirupati 5 kilometers and Tirumala 24 kilometers. We will be going via Tirupati. We will not be taking the Tirumala road. We will just bypass on this highway towards Vijayawada. So far weather is good. In this way we need to go. I'll just stop somewhere over here and just take a pic. That's so good. Renugunta 11 kilometers. Just entering Nellore, guys. I don't know, did I break any record? From Bangalore to Nellore, I came in exactly, if you see, 5 hours 13 minutes. You guys can see Nellore over there. In 5 hours 13 minutes I reached Nellore, just stopping to refuel, and I will have some snacks. Then I will leave. I'll stop over here somewhere. Sir, 500 కొట్టండి సార్. క్యాష్. Yeah, we'll fill the petrol and then we'll start again. కొట్టండి సార్. Yeah, where was I? Please let me know if it is a record or something. 5 hours to Nellore from Bangalore. Let me know if it is a record. That will be very good for me. I really didn't expect it that I will be reaching. So quick to Nellore. Yeah, I will have some water.
I just stopped over here to have some water and some snacks. I'm done. This was my second break actually. After Chittoor, here I stopped. In between I didn't stop anywhere. Yeah, we'll see how far we can go and how will be the roads. As of now, roads are very nice. I couldn't find any issue with the roads. That's my baby over there. Let's hit it back onto the bike and get back to you guys once I reach Ongole. Just stopped over here on the way to Ongole. I crossed Kavali. Now I'm almost near to Ongole. I thought I will have my lunch, so I stopped over here near this cafe day and I'm having some snacks. The time is almost 12:30 now. I covered like 600 kilometers till now. I was unable to vlog much on the bike because if you guys can see, I will just show you guys. This is the condition of the bike. It was completely drizzling full mud, slush, everything. I had to take my camera and I had to put it back into my bag, so I was unable to vlog much. Yeah, so far so good. Half of the way is done, another half to go home. Just reached Vijayawada Casa Toll Plaza, guys. I think I'm keeping up a very good speeds right now. I covered almost like 850 kilometers in 9 hours, I guess. 9.5 to 10 hours. I almost covered like 850 kilometers, another 340 kilometers to home. I hope today I will be able to do it. Just stopped over this place to have some snacks and have some, some beverage, something. I didn't had my lunch yet, so I thought I will just have something and then move on. So far so good. My condition after riding 1062 kilometers per day from morning 6, and now the time is almost around 10 o'clock in the night. Another 200 kilometers to home, but I thought I will take a break for the night. My parents are also not getting convinced for me to come over there now because the roads are not good and the visibility is also not that great. If you can see my face, look at my face, it's all mud except the balaclava where I'm wearing the balaclava at this place, and remaining all is black and my eyes turned out very red. Even if you see my hands, it's all mud. Yeah, I thought I will just stop over here, take a break, and tomorrow early morning again I will leave. I got a pretty decent room for $1,000. This is the room which I got. Only double beds were there, so I took double bedded room. Yeah, this is the room. I hope it is clear. And let me show you the washroom. Yeah, decent enough. This is how it is. I left my other bag on top of the top rack itself. I didn't took it here. I just bought these 2 bags. Yeah, that is how it is. Peace.
Just entered into City of Destiny, my hometown. Coming on bike from Bangalore to Visakhapatnam in a record-breaking time of 16 hours. Covered 1170 kilometers in 16 hours. Just crossed NAD. I'm on my way towards my home. Trust me, it was a very nice ride. I really enjoyed the ride. I took a halt in Annavaram last night because there was too much of visibility issue. There was too much of moisture in the air, and I was unable to see beyond 50 meters ahead. So I thought I will take a break. So I thought I will take a break, and in the morning I can go. And even my parents were not convinced about me to coming to home at that time. It was almost around 11 o'clock in the night. Not 11, I guess 9:30 in the night. So I took a room at Annavaram. Yeah, that is very silly, right? Just if I do another 142 kilometers, I will be reaching home in the night itself. I will be reaching home by 10:30 like that at the night. But yeah, as I told you, there was too much of visibility issue, so I had to drop down that plan, or else by this time the title would be like the record-breaking time to Vizag in 16 hours, 1160 kilometers. Anyway, maybe some other time. I'm okay with that. End of the day, I reached home safe and sound. That is important for anyone. There was too much of supports from my friends, my family, everyone. Initially they were saying like, they were keep on telling me like, yeah, don't come on bike, it is raining too much, the roads are not good, this, that and all. Then they later understood my intention, how badly I wanted to do this ride. So finally they accepted me to go, and they gave a very nice support actually. Throughout my way they were keep on calling me, they were keep on checking on me. That was very nice. Yeah, near to Simhachalam. From the upcoming junction, if you take a right, you will be going to Simhachalam. If you don't take the right and if you stay on the same lane and go ahead another 3 kilometers, I will be reaching my home. I was unable to record much on the bike while I'm coming because I was really hitting a very goddamn speed. In that speed you will not be able to hear anything other than the camera mic pop-up sounds, and you will not be enjoying that. It was not tiring. Only thing is I am carrying my office laptop in my backpack, and along with that some other stuff. If I would have tied it on the top rack or something, that would have been a different case, but I didn't tie it and I was wearing it all the time. So because of that I was facing this issue. Means little bit of back pain is there. Other than that I don't have any bum pain, I don't have any hands pain, legs pain and all. Only the back is paining because of the weight of the back. Yeah, we'll reach home and get back to you guys.
Just reached back home, guys, safe and sound. That is my house. Baby is parked over there. I still need to unload everything. Just now I reached. I was talking with my dad and my grandma and all. Yeah, the ride was very nice. I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, this is Shravan signing off.